Today is my last day of treatment at the 3D clinic in Zhangtan, China. My name is Reg Collingwood and I am from British Columbia. I was diagnosed with prostate cancer 8 years ago and was initially told in the first diagnosis that I had a short time to live, and thus that really shook me up. And I asked for a second opinion. But after another opinion I was placed on a watchful waiting. This is where PSA is monitored. This is a place where PSA is monitored and a series of biopsies were performed but never ever received any treatment or suggestions what course of action should be taken. Time to take matters in my own hands and see what is out in the world for possible cures. I read and talked with whoever would listen what best course of action, which all pointed to radical prostatectomy by the way of robotic surgery or conventional surgery, doing radiation or proton beam into the prostate. These all seem destructive to the human body. This looked like terrible options and major side effects after I interviewed different men who had received such procedures. In my quest for a cure for this cancer, I received an email from an acquaintance of mine, Ken Kitzman, who had been all over North America searching for answers. Ken wrote me that he attended Dr. Song's 3D clinic in Zhangtan, China. He had great things to say and turned me over to another patient who also attended 3D clinic. His name was Don Funk from Saskatchewan, Canada. He also had great things to say about his experience at the 3D clinic and had great results with getting rid of his cancer and a new lease on life with no nasty side effects. Reading further into Dr. Song's procedure and delivery injecting straight into tumors with cancer-killing herbal compounds destroying cancer cells, but leaving good cells intact. This is exactly what I have waited 8 years to hear. Finally, an option that is on my terms. Imagine a procedure that kills cancer yet leaves you whole and ready to continue a meaningful life. I contacted Elisa Wang at 3D Clinic and started the application to visit China and the clinic. For me, time was running out, and this was the only practical option I saw. Upon my arrival at Changsha Airport, we were met by Nurse Cindy and a driver and went straight to the hospital for comprehensive blood tests and ultrasound of the kidneys, abdomen, prostate, and groin area. The hospital has modern medical equipment and the procedure was accomplished with no problems. We had results in 15 minutes. Blood work results was delivered the next day. Upon arriving at the clinic for consultation interview with Dr. Song and his assistant Dr. Ivan, who speaks English, and Elisa Wang also helps in translation. Much time is spent reviewing past health issues and exactly where your health status is presently. Dr. Song looked closely at the reports and determined tumor locations and size of 17 millimeter on right side, 22 millimeters on left. After consulting with Dr. Song, the decision to proceed immediately with injections into the tumors. I felt I was in the right place. Receiving so many biopsies before, Dr. Song was straight up. About 6 weeks would be needed to combat all the scar tissue from these invasive procedures that really don't accomplish much but introduce bacteria and virus straight into the prostate, leading to accelerated cancer growth. After blood work, report indications of a high virus count, much too high. A 20-day drip was administered to kill a virus in my body, making me feel much better and higher energy. My injections into prostate continued every day except Sundays. In our time here, we met many other patients from Australia, Canada, United States, Africa, and Mongolia. We all exchanged information about past treatment, but we all had a common theme that we were all improving here. Dr. Song and Dr. Ivan really know what is required for each patient. They take time every day to interview and review progress. On each patient's advance, never have I had a doctor spend real time on the issues every day. This was the best decision I've ever made as I watched the cancer tumors break apart and pass through my urinary tract every day, knowing I'm expelling dead cancer tissue out of my body. I collect samples and document them every day, reviewing the photo samples daily with Dr. Song and Dr. Ivan, who work together for a common goal on your progress, which I found empowering. Support for anti-cancer treatment, Dr. Song requires taking an anti-cancer drink 2 times daily, which supports the body in its fight to eliminate cancer. I will continue this for 3 months after I return home. My opinion, Dr. Song and Dr. Ivan at 3D Clinic are excellent doctors, and they have given me a new lease on life. The support staff of Elisa Wang administrating office duty, she is hardworking and very accommodating. If you have any problems or need assistance, WeChat Alyssa and she will help. Nurse Cindy is wonderful. She handles all the IV drips and checks vitals when needed. The clinic has a nice calmness to it, and it's an easy walk every day from the hotel, which is comfortable with great shower to relax after treatment. There are numerous places to eat that are good food and clean, enabling you to follow Dr. Song's diet plan laid out for you. Alyssa can help with some of those directions. Walking around streets, absolutely, no problem. Never ever any hassle, felt very safe. All the staff at 3D Clinic are excellent, extremely friendly, courteous, and accommodating. If you are suffering from prostate cancer, in my opinion, 3D Clinic was my best and only choice. I'm going to be having